This is a small VMware environment with CloudStack 4.15, and I'm going to demo the new workflow for supporting vApp templates in VMware. So the first thing to mention is that the vApp support is only available for VMware, and the templates which have been registered before version 4.15 are not included in the vApp's support. So all the templates which have been registered from version 4.15 and onwards, they'll support the vApp templates. So in this example, I have already registered some vApp templates, and we'll notice that, for example, when we select one of them, now the compute offering changes, the section changes, and also lists a new field, which is the configuration. And in this case, we'll see the available configurations or deployment options that the template has, such as we can do the same directly from vCenter. So now the compute offerings are being filtered, and only the ones that match the requirements are being displayed, and also the custom offerings. So this custom offering has auto-populated the values that are read from the configuration, and in this case we'll see that CloudStack has also auto-populated these values. So if we select then the vCenter's Appliance 6.7, we'll notice that the number of configurations is bigger. So different configurations has different values. So I'm going to simply select this one. Actually, let's go with the Cisco SAV, which is a small virtual machine. So in this section, the network section, all the network adapters are being displayed with their names. So the user selects the networks in each case. And then a new section to the vApp properties that the template requires. Some of them are required, some of them are not required. So I'm going to skip this part for this demo. Okay, so the next section is the license agreements, which if the template contains, then the users must read and accept the terms of the agreement. If a user wants to deploy the virtual machine without accepting the license agreements, that is not possible, and this dialog is displayed. So let's assume that we have read and accepted the license agreements and deploy this virtual machine. So after the VM is deployed, we can see that now CloudStack has not only one root disk, but multiple root disks for VMware, as the VM is cloned from the template depending on the configuration chosen, which is also stored as a VM detail. So we can see that this VM was the SAV5 selected. So all the disks for that template and that configuration are cloned to the new virtual machine. We'll also see all the NICs and the OS type, which is read also from the OVF when it's registered. So we'll now be able to interact with the Cisco SAV. So that's good. And that's it, basically.